This is my 1987 Pontiac Fiero. You might have seen it in the back of some of my videos. It's been sitting underneath the tree for a while. I want to start getting ready to get this project on its way. So first things I'm going to do is start to tear this car apart. All right, so I was successfully able to remove the rear cover of the vehicle in order to access these frame rails for the rear of the car. The frame right across this rail, there's a frame underneath this little box here, and also the engine chassis or the engine cradle. Gonna have to cut that down and stretch everything back 10 inches, 10 and a half inches to compensate for the body kit that I'm gonna be putting on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this area here and give me more access to where I need to get to on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue pulling this thing apart. All right, so currently, after the storm that we just had pass through Ernesto, we don't have no electricity. So I'm gonna focus on trying to clean up this engine bay right here, take out all these lines and hoses. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleaning up this engine bay, everything that I'm not gonna need for this new engine placement. So let's go ahead and start doing that. All right, so I successfully stretched the rear of this vehicle. Took a little bit of doing to get to it, actually a couple days to get it done. But now I have the rail stretched 10.5 inches, and that's gonna be it for this video. So